In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI photo generators in Remaker AI. So to start, click on AI image generator right here, click on it. And in here, you have to choose text to image or image to image. So I'm going to use text to image, and in here, you need to enter your prompt. You can also try the suggested prompts right here. So just click on it. And next, choose your model. So you have ByteDance, Google Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro, Imagine 4 Fast, Flux. So I'm gonna choose Nano Banana Pro. Image resolution, I'm gonna choose 1024. And choose your style, realistic, anime illustration, fantasy, and a lot more. So I'm gonna choose 3D style. Choose your image ratio, 16 by 9, and choose number of images. So 2, and click on generate. So it will cost me 22 credits only. Now it's generating, wait for it to finish. And here are the results. So wow, you have an amazing photo right here. And click on download to download this to your computer, or click on delete and generate a new one. And that's it. Thanks for watching.